Hey everybody, this is AmpTech Ron coming at you from the Amp Lab. And today we're going to talk about loaning out gear, aka no good deed goes unpunished. I've worked at several storefront shops and many times I've had customers come in bringing their broken gear and they have a gig or something important recording. Maybe they're just on a creative and they need to borrow something. And I've done this many times, and most of the times they bring the stuff back and it's perfectly fine. I got to be the hero. Several times, though, I have had some disasters. My personal bass amp, worth probably about 400 bucks, but it was kind of rare. The boss's buddy, I loaned it to him and something happened to it and he told me that the boss said it was okay, so he didn't owe me shit even though it had my name in it and everything. That was the worst case. uh, Also had walls come back without feet and stuff like that. A few jerks that just won't take care of your gear and don't appreciate what you're doing for them. But I've also had a couple occasions where I've loaned out the nice amps I've built to semi-pro guys that had gigs, and it absolutely saved the day. And in one case, they even bought one of these amps from the shop. So, that's a victory there. And at the end of the day, it comes down to this. Don't loan out anything that you can't live without, because there's always that chance it's going to get abused or stolen or whatever. If you're in a position you can offer that benefit to people that views you as a technician, most people appreciate it. But like I said, don't loan out anything precious. No 59 Les Pauls, anything like that. So, you know, hope this helps you guys. Thanks a lot.